Hi everyone, it's Amy. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to show you our April 2022 customer specials at Norwex. First up is our Chenille hand towel with the beautifully embroidered bee design. It's perfect for spring, but you can also flip this right over for a more neutral look. This month's special with the Chenille hand towel also includes the honey scented foaming hand wash in the Bumblebee collection. You can get both for $35.99, which is a 21% savings. Now, hey, this isn't your ordinary hand towel. It's luxuriously soft, but it's super powerful. It's perfect for drying hands and keeping germs and bacteria away. It has the backlock technology. Traditional hand towels that are used over and over again after washing our hands could reintroduce the same dirt and bacteria that's caught in the fabric from the previous use back onto your skin. So all of our hand towels contain backlock, which is the microsilver agent that stops bacterial growth. No more stinky towels, no more wet, sloppy hand towels either. They reduce waste, ultra soft on the skin, and dry super fast. And the built-in hanger means it's never going to be on your floor again. It makes it convenient to hang pretty much anywhere. Oven doors, towel racks, even stroller handles. And this would look so cute on a stroller. It's machine washable, and in addition to the April specials, it also comes in a lot of gorgeous colors that fit pretty much any decor. So the average hand towel, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but they don't stop bacterial growth or bacteria from transferring to the next person. That's so disgusting. And experts recommend washing regular hand towels after just 3 uses because they trap millions of skin cells, which causes bacteria growth. You're not going to find that with the Chenille hand towel. You can also snag this month the Enviro cloth in graphite with sunflower trim and the bee window cloth. You can get both of these for $31.49, which is a 17% savings. Now with the Enviro cloth, you can clean everything with just water, everything everywhere, and remove up to 99% of bacteria. It's the perfect replacement for chemical cleaners and totally eliminates wasteful paper towels. Plus, it contains our backlock, which is our antibacterial agent for self-cleansing purposes. The agent is designed to inhibit odor, bacteria, mold, mildew within the product, so no stinky cloths. The bee window cloth is not only really pretty, it's super effective. If you need an effective chemical-free window cleaning solution, the window cloth is a must-have, and this is a great way to get it. Our safe and sustainable microfiber window cloth gets glass like windows, mirrors, and stainless appliances sparkling clean with just water. The soft but really tightly woven microfiber removes up to 99% of bacteria and leaves your surfaces super shiny with no unsightly streaks or residue. It works great when paired with the Enviro cloth and eliminates the need for a ton of harmful cleaners and paper towels and things like that. The window cloth also contains our backlock technology, so it goes to work to self-purify the cloth as soon as you're done using it. And this product, actually both of these products, were independently tested for harmful substances according to the strict global criteria of the Standard 100 Oekotech. So that's pretty cool. And then finally, in our spring sale lineup, we have the limited edition diamond textured kitchen towel and kitchen cloth with graphite and sunflower trim, both for $26.99, which is a 15% savings. Now the kitchen cloth, think of it like an Enviro cloth, but smaller and for the kitchen. It has backlock and removes 99% of bacteria, and this little guy is a major crumb grabber. It's great for all sorts of messes in the kitchen, and the kitchen towel absorbs up to 2 cups of liquid. So these are amazing alternatives to paper towels and rags in your kitchen. The kitchen towel and the kitchen cloth both have our backlock technology, so they remove 99% of bacteria. And we've had a lot of spills in our house. My oldest son's always knocking things over, and it's just been great to have these towels to just quickly get up those spills. I find myself using the kitchen cloth a ton after every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, to get all those crumbs and counters clean and free of all the debris. So I hope you enjoyed the April customer specials. Please let me know if you have any questions. I just think they're absolutely beautiful and all go together so nice. Have a great day.